next step, we need to install this metal. So prepare this 4 metal and the screws. Now we fix this metal. First, you don't need to fix the screws tightly because maybe you need to adjust the direction. During the process, you need to ask a person to help you adjust the pace of the cabin. On this side, we have to connect this wire on this hole. So we need to find the wire first. This blue and yellow wire. And then you have to make this wire go through here and then connect it. This wire have to be inside the holder. Next step, we fix the screws on the bottom holder. First, we fix all the 6 screws, 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. At first, we don't need to fix it tightly. And then we need to fix all the screws tightly. Then use the spanner to fix these 6 screws tightly. Next step, we need to connect all of the wires. The method is the same as the previous steps. These 2 wires have to go through this hole and then go into the pad. After you connect all of the wires, you have to check whether you have put the covers on. And then again, you need to check whether all of the wires are connected in the correct part. And then you can use this kind of wire band to fix all of the wires. Pay attention that there are certain places have to be fixed. This one. And this one. And this one. And also these two wires have to be fixed. And also this one. After the wires are connected and the wire bands are fixed, we need to connect the upper cabin and the bottom cabin and connect the power source and turn the machine on to check the whole light bed. You need to make sure all the lights are on, and then you need to change the rememer. Also this time you need to make sure all the lights are on and it can flash as normal. To make sure the machine is working well, you can test it for 30 minutes. After the light bulb is working, 30 minutes later, we can start to install the metal case. First, disconnect the power source, and then use the screws to fix the back sides of the metal. And then we start to assemble the front side of the metal shell. And then we need to assemble the broad side. We need 2 people to hold the broad side. And then another one to use the screwdriver to fix the screws. And it's the same as the other side. The last step is to assemble the closet.